So you want to become a cloud security engineer. Here's what I would do in 2025. Get hands-on with one of the major cloud providers, AWS, Azure, GCP. It doesn't matter. If you don't know one deeply, you can't even start. Each provider has their own security certification, which you can start working towards. But experience building real-world systems in that provider is what you really need. Number two, learn identity and access management for the provider that you've chosen. How do you design roles, policies, permissions, authentication? How do you federate identity and build least privilege permissions? You need to be familiar with the pain of IAM in your provider. Network security is still a core tenet of every cloud provider. It's not just SSL everywhere. Practice building virtual networks with subnets, gateways, firewalls, and network segmentation. Logging and monitoring are where you catch real-world attacks and figure out how things are breaking. Turn on critical log sources, API calls, network flows, system logs, and then send them to a central location. Practice querying them and answering questions. Get familiar with the cost of each data source because you'll be making tough decisions on which ones to keep. Finally, pick at least one infrastructure as code system and start building with that. Deploy it all with CI/CD pipeline. Figure out where all the rough edges are and practice building reusable components so you aren't building the same thing over and over. And that's it. That should give you a good foundation to get your first cloud security job in 2025.